It all started with a #2 pencil for Dwayne Edwards, named one of the most influential people in sneakers, designing shoes for some of the biggest names like Michael Jordan, Derek Jeter, and Carmelo Anthony. With decades of experience, he set up shop in Portland, founding Pensole Design Academy in 2010. Hundreds of graduates have gone on to create for some of the top brands in the world. But just like everyone, Pensole Academy was impacted by the coronavirus pandemic.
We ended up having to cancel 3 classes that we had set up, and we're in the process of rescheduling those classes with brands. The brands have been great. You know, we're working with Vans and Timberland and Allbirds and Nike on some programming.
The 18 staff members were also affected.
We ended up having to furlough all of the staff. We still kept them on their health care and everything. So that part is great. I think probably the most beautiful part of the whole situation is they all volunteered to continue to work.
While in-person classes aren't happening in their studios right now, Edwards and his staff aren't waiting around.
We have design competitions and we have podcasts coming and downloadable tools coming, live sketch sessions and demos coming. So we have a lot of things in the works.
Pensole is working on ways to teach virtually and still be hands-on at the same time.
We're testing some different software and camera techniques to try to be able to draw. So if someone draws something, right, they can upload it to us and then we can draw right over the top of it so they can see it in real time exactly the way it would be if we were doing it in person.
He wants to change the game and push what's next for the industry.
We've been selling shoes the same way for decades and marketing shoes the same way for decades, where I think this gives not only our industry, but even education opportunity to have a reset. And I want to be able to drive what that reset looks like.
In the meantime, a good deal on sneakers could be ahead.
There'll be some amazing sales coming up when this is all over. There's this massive backlog of things that's happening, and every week that goes by, it's going to be better for the consumer.
Orlando Sanchez, KGW Sports.